Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to solve the given simultaneous equation by a new method. The name for the new method is Cramer's rule. So as you can see, solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. The first equation given to us as 4x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0, and the second one 6x equals to 8 minus 5y. So our first work is to convert the given equation in the form of ax plus by equals to c form. So see what we will get from 4x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0 as 4x plus 3y equals to 4, which we are taking it as equation 1. Similarly, 6x equals to 8 minus 5y will be written as 6x plus 5y equals to 8. So we have got our two equations. The next part we will going to classify as a coefficient of x as column number 1, and we will name above it as 1. Coefficient of y will be named as column number 2, and coefficient of constant term, that is c, will be taken it as column number 3. You will find that column number 1 contains coefficient of only x, 4 and 6. Column 2 contains 3 and 5, which are the coefficient of y, and column 3 contains 4 and 8, which is constant term. Now we will find out D. Now for D, which two columns are required? We will see that first. See here, column number 1 and 2 required, and their elements also it will come to the D. See here, 4 and 6 from 1 and 3 and 5 from 2. In English we call both as a number as a 12, and in Hindi we call it as 12. So D is nothing but we can remember it as 12, yeah, 12. Now to simplify this, as you know, we get product of left diagonal. When I talk about left diagonal, means 4 into 5. Clear? Minus the right diagonal, that is 6 and 3. So 6 and 3 will get multiply. We are separating them by the bracket so that the sign mistake can be avoided. The next step will be equals to 4 into 5 will become 20. Minus will come as it is. 3 into 6 will become 18. Further simplifying, therefore D will be equals to 2. Let us go for dx. For dx, determinant of x, we will have two again columns. The first column will come as 3, third one, and the second column will come as second one. You can remember it as 32. dx is 32, or in Hindi we can say 32. Clear? Now let us get the content of third and second column. Third column 4 and 8 is coming down, second column 3 and 5. If you do mistake here, your sign will change, but here we have got perfectly right, so you will find nothing will go wrong. Now how to simplify this? As you know, equal sign, left diagonal minus right diagonal. We had put the bracket. Clear? Further simplifying, 4 into 5 will become 20. Minus will come as it is. 3 and 8 will give you 24. When I further simplify, I get dx equals to minus 4, because 20 minus 24 will give you minus 4. Let us go for dy. So dy, determinant of y will contain again two columns, that is first and the third one, which is also known as 13, 1 and 3, 13. So see here, for d we have 12, for dx we have 32, and for dy we have 13. So once we remember this, we won't do any mistake. Let the elements of column 1 come down, elements of column 3 can come down. The order should not change. Now we will solve them. So equal to left diagonal product 4 into 8 bracket close minus right diagonal 4 into 6 bracket close. Clear? So after simplifying, I will get 32 minus 24. See. Therefore, d of y will be equals to 8, because 32 minus 24 will become 8. So we have got d, we have got dx value, we have got dy value. Now the next step is to find out x and y. So to find out x, we need dx upon d. So dx value we know, d value we know. So we are going to substitute, equals to dx is minus 4 upon 2, because d is 2. When I further simplify, I get minus 2. So the value of x I got as minus 2. Similarly, I will find out y. So y equals to dy upon d. So dy value we know, dy will be 8 and d will be 2. So further when I simplify, I get equal sign and the answer become 4. So we got x value also, we got y value also. Clear now? Therefore, the x value we write first and the y value we write second. So minus 2 comma 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule method. I hope it is clear for you all. You all need to remember 12, 32, 13. 12 is d, 32 is dx and 13 is dy. If you remember this, you will not find any difficulty as well as no mistakes. I hope it is clear to you how to use Cramer's rule to solve the given simultaneous equation. See you, stay at home, be safe.